This all black knife box is absolutely beautiful. Comes with scissors and steak knives and the actual block itself. There are spaces for everything. These are the steak knives. You have a bread knife in there. You also have some sharper cutting knives, along with a sharpener for your knives, which keeps your knives sharp and lasting a whole lot longer. The matte black of this knife set makes it really elegant and beautiful looking. One of my other favorite things about this is that it has the ability to cut really nicely. I cut this caramel apple that was in the fridge for a really long time, and it cut it really nice. Overall, if you are looking for a knife set for your home, I would recommend this one